Hey guys, welcome back to another Mike's Visions. Um, I was gonna wait to show you guys. I usually make my these YouTube videos on Saturday nights. I try to make them on Saturday nights, but that light is in our eyes. There we go. Better. Now you get to see the garage door opener too. Anyways, um, tonight's video is we got all a lot of parts in. I know it was a surprise. I was gonna wait till Saturday, but I can't wait. I have to show you guys. Um, let's start with the tools. I went on to Craigslist or Amazon, and I don't have a small torque wrench. And working on mini bikes, you need to have a small torque wrench. And off Amazon, I got this little guy right here. Really nice little case that comes in. Came with a little bit of literature. And here it is itself. Real super small. Real nice. Yeah. Very cool little torque wrench. I did have a torque wrench already, but as you can see, I was going to be trying to work with this guy. Kind of in the same. And this guy just would have a hard time fitting into the little tiny engines and stuff like that. So had to step up and get one of these guys. It's 11-inch. I believe this is a 24. Yeah, 11-inch freaking torque wrench. Got it off Amazon. Good buy right here. What did it come with? Oh, came with little extensions. Little 3-inch extension, 4-inch, whatever it is. And then this is a 1/4-inch head. And it looks like it came with a 1/2-inch adapter. So go from 1/4-inch to 1/2-inch. Cool. But what would make you think we need one of these for? Huh? Here at the old Mike's Visions. What brand is this? EP Auto. If you guys want to look it up on Amazon. Seems like it's pretty good. We shall see. Yeah, EP Auto. What do we need this for? Also got Penguin bearings off Amazon. You guys could see that number. You guys want to get some of these? Pretty cool bearings for the wheels. A lot better than what's in them. Yeah. I would open one of these up for you guys and show you the actual bearing inside, but you guys get the logistics of it. Penguin bearings. Should get them for your mini bike or go-kart. These help out your wheels a lot. And the stock ones that are in there, they freaking... I mean, we don't know. We don't know who made them and stuff like that and freaking how well they made them. If you guys have watched in the last few videos, I have struggled with small little tiny things. So I went ahead and I bought picks. Yes, just a cheapie. I think these were like $1.97 off Amazon. Picks, so no more little E-clips or little washers or anything like that getting away from me anymore because I got picks now. Gonna get them. I also got one of these guys. A little freaking digital caliper. So, pretty cool. It freaking goes from millimeters to inch. All electronic. Easy on-off little thing. It's on inch right now. You want to go to millimeter, just push that. And, you know, just basically... There it is. Millimeter. What is that? 14.9 millimeter. How much is that an inch? 0.5, 0.60 of an inch. So, yeah, got one of these guys. This thing was off Amazon too. It's an electronic digital caliper is what it's called. And freaking, it's plastic. I like the plastic one better than the metal one because when the plastic one touches something metal, it feels better. But yeah, $10, Amazon, real cool. I also got a cylinder sleeve. Really cool. Put this around piston head with the rings on it. Give it a good couple twists. Make everything nice and tight. Wooden hammer handle. Tap this guy back in. Also came with something to help put the rings around a piston. Really cool. This, I think I got this from Harbor Freight. So, yeah, it opens way up, so you can do. We're not going to need anything for that big, though, here in Mike's Visions. So. Also, got a Autolite racing spark plug. If you know me, it says racing on it. I'm putting it on the mini bike. This thing's pretty freaking cool. I have racing spark plugs on it right now. I have a racing spark plug on it now. It's pretty good. It'll be interesting to see how this guy is. As you can see, pretty aggressive freaking. I don't really want to. You get it. But yeah, it'll be interesting. I will try this one out. See how it does. See my reviews on the spark plug. The first racing spark plug I put on it, I did notice a difference from the stock one. So it'll be interesting to see how this guy works. I'm going to try it out. But there it is. Came in the kit. More 18-pound valve springs. Pretty cool. You guys already seen the piston and from Go Power Sports. $20, I think. Comes with the rings. Inside of the bag is the wrist pin and the little clips to hold the wrist pin to the piston. Really cool. Oh boy. Here we go. Into the fun stuff. Oh. In our kit, we also got a new head gasket, and this is for the drawing a blank. I'm sorry, guys. Not flywheel. The other side. Anyway, new gaskets. Really excited. Can't even talk right now. Another part from Go Power Sports kit. Yes, look at that. Shiny. Nice. Look at that. Laps up the oil through here, comes up and starts spitting it all out. All through here. Little holes in here. You probably can't see them. Yeah. Came with nice shiny bearings too. Nice camera. Okay. Okay. What else did we get? We got a dyno cam. Heck yeah. Gonna really spin that bad boy up now, that Predator engine. This is the, I think this is, what is this one? I don't know what number this one is. It's a part of their kit on Go Power Sports, $450 kit. You get the gaskets, you get the cam, the piston rod, and the valves, and the spark plug. Oh! And you also get in the kit billet flywheel. Hell yes. At first, I didn't fill out when I ordered the kit what billet flywheel I wanted, so Go Power Sports sent me this one. They have 3 of them that you can choose from. The original, the upgraded, and this is the newest one that they got. So thank you, Go Power Sports, for this. I'm gonna be interested to see how this guy works. Put this guy back in. Don't want to do anything dirtied up. Oh, let's see here. I bought all this parts. I wasn't sponsored. Nobody sponsored me and freaking bought me these parts or anything like that. So don't think you could go out and just buy a mini bike and freaking start making YouTube channels and people start giving you money, because they don't. Trust me. I also got a Go Power Sports freaking valve cover, billet one. Really pretty up the engine. This thing's awesome. Comes with some hardware to put your freaking little tubes in for your exhaust and everything like that. Yeah, cool. This is cool. And last but not least, favoriteest thing of all, Juggernaut. Got a Juggernaut. This thing's gonna wind up a lot. We're gonna get all the power now from freaking all the stuff from the Stage 2 kit. That is gonna help out tremendously. Now really gonna be the tests on belts and everything like that. Yeah, this thing is, I'm excited about this thing. Freaking awesome. Everything's really easy to install. I would like to get out one more time with my current setup. I'm going to be tearing this mini bike down here pretty quick, and that's why I want to get out and give one more ride and do some testing and stuff like that one more time to have comparisons of befores and afters. So, yeah, maybe I will, maybe I won't, don't know. Gonna get to use a welder machine. Hey, thanks for telling me this freaking strap is twisting around. Probably a boatload of you people watching going, twist your strap. Anyways, yeah. Gonna freaking get some stuff. Got a welding mask too. Yeah, check that out. This thing's pretty cool. It's cheap. Amazon. I don't know how to use it, but I know you put it on your face when you're welding. A little thing that you stick on your head. So, yeah. I do have to apologize to you guys too. I'm in YouTube jail right now. You can't leave comments on my videos. They did not like the last few videos I made. They're following local guidelines. I put an appeal or thing on it, so fingers crossed you guys get to freaking start messaging, leaving comments again on my videos and stuff like that. If you guys aren't a part of Mike's Vision, make sure to like and subscribe. Everybody like this video. I'm trying to get to just 50 subscribers. I want 50 subscribers. I have a special surprise for you guys when I get to 50 subscribers. So let's get there. Let's get to 50 subscribers so I can show you guys this cool thing that I have planned for. Oh yeah, I forgot also too. I picked up today some freaking number 105 motor assembly grease. When we put this Stage 2 kit on the freaking Predator 212, that is what we're going to be greasing up all of our moving parts with. So if anybody's ever going to be asking, I will be going over all that. Yeah, like I said though, I'm going to be tearing this mini bike completely apart. Maybe let's paint it. You guys want to see it painted a different color? I'm kind of down for it, you know. I mean, though, it's only 49 cc's, so yeah, it'll be cool. After, I was gonna say, the stage 2 kit, just the stage 2 kit installed onto the 212 is gonna bring it up between 15 to 18 horses. This Juggernaut on it, you know, I don't know. We'll find out. It will rev more RPMs on it. Right now, it does have the governor in it too, and I got it up to 44.7 with the governor. So governor's got to come out, and with the stage 2, who knows? The valve cover, this is gonna give it freaking like 6 more horses right by itself right here. So pretty cool. Go out and buy one. Yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed tonight's videos. I'm excited about putting all these parts on. I got a lot of money invested right here into the old little mini bike. So things gonna be a freaking beast. We've got a gambler coming up, so get ready to see those videos. If you guys got any suggestions on future videos you want to see, let me know. Keep watching the videos though. Eventually I'm gonna get out of YouTube freaking jail, and I will get to put my videos back on. I've ran this video a lot longer than I was planning on it. This is supposed to be a short video. We're already 16 minutes and 37 seconds in. So, you guys, I'm going to get off of here. I didn't even realize I had this shirt on tonight. Yeah. Nice. You guys, I'm going to get off of here. Keep coming, watching my videos. Keep coming back. I'm going to start tearing this thing apart really quickly and build this thing up from the monster. It's a CT200U monster right now. It is about ready to be turned into the CT200U beast. So, alrighty guys, have a good night.